Hello engineers. Today I'm going to discuss about the advantage of AI tools for engineers. Nowadays, AI tools started impacting each and everyone on this earth in some or the other ways. So let us see how AI tools going to play in engineers' life. Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar KP. I am the engineers growth coach. I help engineers to achieve high income growth and happy living with a purpose in their life. In this regard, I'm giving coaching and training and mentorship for engineers to achieve the financial freedom. And if you want to know more details about the activities, what I do, you may please look at the description for the links. Today, we want to discuss about AI tools, the role, the effect or the advantage or the impact that AI tools have in engineers' life. So we will look at this, what way it's going to be advantageous. So the one of the important advantages is that it improves the efficiency and also help with automation. So AI tools can automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, allowing engineers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their life, of their work. So this will increase overall efficiency and productivity of engineers. This is the one of the most important things, because a lot of repetitive works takes out the time. So he can spend those times in more creative works and more productive works. Then the second one is that data analysis and insight. If you want to look at the different results that we get from different experiments and different iterations and the data we collect on various experiments, engineers find it very difficult to come out with a insight or come out with the proper data analysis. So AI tools can play a big and important role for data analysis and also getting the insight from those results, from those informations. So AI can process and analyze large data base quickly and help engineers to derive valuable insights and make informed decisions for design, optimization, and problem solving. This is the second advantage. That is data analysis and getting insight from those data. Then third one is predictive maintenance. AI-driven predictive maintenance can anticipate equipment failures, reduce downtime, and optimize maintaining schedules, leading to cost saving and improved equipment reliability. So that is the third point where engineers can rely on AI tools for predictive maintenance. Then fourth one is design optimization. AI tools can explore a wide range of design possibilities and identify the optimal solutions for complex engineering problems, leading to improved product performance and efficiency. Then fifth one is the simulation and modeling. AI-powered simulations can accurately model real-world scenarios, enabling engineers to test design virtually, reduce the need for physical prototype, and accelerate the development cycle. Because most of the time, designers, engineers, or product development, if they want to check that product, inspect that product on the real-time scenarios, it's always very difficult to construct or build those test equipments in a physical scenario. So if we can able to do it virtually in a digital way, AI tools can help for those things actually. So to find out the different results and on doing a lot of iterations and finding out what is the best design solution and what is the best possible result that we can get from any particular design. So simulation and modeling is the other point, the fifth point I mentioned here. Then the next one is the resource allocation, because engineers handle with a lot of resources. So AI can assist in resource allocation, helping engineers to optimize the energy usage, materials, and other resources to achieve sustainability at cost effectiveness. So this is the resource allocation. In that area also, AI tools can help engineers. Then risk assessment. So AI tools can assess. The AI tools can assess and mitigate potential risk by analyzing historical data and predicting the potential hazards, enhancing the safety in engineering projects. So risk management also AI tools do has its contribution. So this is the 7th point. And 8th point is that pattern recognition. AI can identify the patterns and anomalies in data that may be difficult for human to detect, aiding in quality control and troubleshooting. And the other advantage is that collaboration and communication. So AI-powered communication tools can help engineers to collaborate remotely, share insight, and work together effectively across geographies and time zones. So AI tools can help even in the communication medium, also the way that we communicate, the words what we are using, the languages, and putting the content in a more effective manner. AI tools helps engineers very much. So the ninth point is collaboration and communication. Then innovation and creativity. So AI tools can provide engineers with new perspectives and ideas, fostering innovation and creativity by suggesting alternative solutions or novel approaches to challenges. So these are some of the advantage that AI tools can give for engineers. These advantages collectively contribute to enhance engineering processes, increased efficiency, better decision making, and ultimately development of more advanced and impactful engineering solutions. So thank you. You can also look for many other advantages that AI tools can bring to engineers. If you have something in your mind, please comment so that many other people watching this video can learn more about what AI tools do for engineers. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and come back again to know more informations on engineers growth. Thank you very much.